everybody. I am so happy to be here. If you come on, say hello. Let me know that you can see. And hear me. My name is Allison. It is so nice to meet you all. I am a brand new teacher, so I want to say hello and introduce myself and teach a quick lesson this morning. So tell me where you're coming from. Say hello. Let me know that you can see me and hear me. Is Allison. Nice to meet you all. So we're going to do a quick lesson today too. I'll wait for some people to hop on and say hello. Tell me where you are coming in from. I live in the United States, born and raised. So tell me where you're coming from. Say hello. I hope everybody can see and hear me. We are going to do a fun lesson today, so I hope that we get some people on. Hi. There we are. Hi, Budar. Hello. If I say anybody's name wrong, I apologize. I'll try my best. Hello. My name is Allison. Nice to meet you. So happy to be here. Tell me where you are coming from. Hello. Hi, Landa. Hi. Hi. Can everybody hear me? See me? Nice to meet you. Oh, Tanzania. All right. Awesome. This is so cool. I live in the United States. So born and raised here. And it's exciting to meet people from all over. Hello, hello. Tell me where you're coming from. Tell me what the weather is like where you guys are living, where you live. Nice to meet you. Oh, this is so exciting. Said this is my first time, so I hope everybody can see and hear me and we can do a quick lesson together. I know I won't be able to hear anybody right away, but we can chat. It's so nice to meet you all. Hello, Teacher Allison. So I will get started because I do want to start a little lesson here from... Oh, nice to meet you. It's rainy here. My country is located in the north of Africa. Okay, very cool. It's snowy here. It's cold. It's snowy, cold, but sunny. So we're in winter. We're having winter now. Oh, it's so nice to meet you all. Hello. Hi, Melissa. Tell me where you're coming from. Say hello. My name is Allison. I live in the United States. So nice to meet you all. Thank you for hopping on. All right. Hopefully we can get a lesson going and we can learn a little something. I can only speak English. I can only speak English. Just a native English speaker. I would love to learn Spanish. If I could learn Spanish, I would. When I get more time, I will definitely do that. It takes a lot of work to learn a new language. So I give you guys all big props because it is not easy. It takes a lot of time and dedication. So no, I'm not from California. I live in Illinois. So that's in central United States. So California is way off on the coast, so on the west coast, and I'm pretty much in the central, in Illinois. My country is located in Western Africa. Awesome, very cool. What's the weather like there today, Ladna? Oh, very cool. So nice to meet you guys. Thank you for hopping on. It's so exciting to be here. Thank you. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. How is everyone? It's very cold. Same here. It's very cold. We got snow, ice. It's freezing cold, but we have sun, so that's good. Yes, nice to meet you all. Hello. Hi, Sarab. Thank you for hopping on, everybody. My name is Allison. If you're just coming on, I live in the United States. This is my first live, so I'm excited to be here. Hi, Danny. Yes, I'm not sure how to do that. Anybody that, yes, I'm new. Like I said, I'm learning my way around. Please forgive me if I don't know everything. I'm learning. I know that only